The key to a successful business is to keep marketing even when you're full. That's because marketing is a pipeline. Marketing efforts go in at the beginning of the pipeline, and at the end of the pipeline, out come clients and money. If I stop marketing, there'll be this space of vacant air, and then when I need money again, it'll take time for it to catch up. So here's the rule. Think about how many hours you're willing to work in a week. I'm willing to work 50. This circle represents 50 hours, the number of hours I'm willing to work. 5% of those hours, right here, are for administrative work. That's payroll and insurance and paying the bills and checking in with my CPA and checking my bank balance. Even when I'm full, 5% of my time goes to administrative work. The key is, even when I'm not full, 5% of my time goes to administrative work. 20% of my time is for marketing, especially when I'm full. Even when I'm full, I'm going to spend 20% of my time on marketing. Now, here's the way it works. Let's say that when I'm full, I can work with 10 clients. So 75% of my time is for 10 clients. But right now, I only have 2 clients. That means that the rest of this time is going to be spent on marketing. Instead of spending 10 hours a week marketing, because 20% of 50 hours a week is 10 hours a week, right now I'm going to spend 38 hours a week marketing because I only have 2 clients. This metric, the metric that says when I'm full, I spend 20% of my time marketing, 5% of my time on administrative work, and 75% of my time with clients. And when I'm not full, I spend the difference between full and where I am now on marketing is the key to successfully building a business. Think of it like turning on hot water upstairs to take a shower. If the hot water heater is downstairs, it's going to take a few seconds for that hot water to come upstairs for the shower. That's the way marketing is. The hot water heater is always ready with hot water. You always have to be marketing. If I don't have a marketing plan, 2 bad things happen. The first is I'll spend more than 5% of my time on administrivia, and that doesn't make any money. The second is I'll throw marketing money at everything. And when I do that, nothing works because there's no congruency or credibility. When you spend 20% of your time marketing, even when you're full, you have the incredible confidence to raise your prices, to release the cranky people, to try new things. If you don't know you have a steady stream of new clients coming in the door, what happens is you start giving away your product for free. You'll call it sampling, but the problem with sampling is nobody wants to pay for your product because you've taught them it doesn't have any value. Never give away what you do. Never. There's a single exception to this, ask me later, but never give away what you do. Norm Brodsky tells the story of his wife's hairdresser who, after 30 years, raised her prices. She wasn't making ends meet. She called around and she found that her prices were half of what her competitors were charging, and so she doubled her prices overnight. Now imagine what would happen if your hairdresser doubled the price of a haircut overnight. You'd go looking for someone else, even if you were going to pay what the new price was. What she should have done was incrementally raise her prices every year. That way, she would have kept pace with the people around her. Her clients would not have been offended by the price increase. They would have stayed loyal, and she would have had a business. She would have been able to do this. She would have felt comfortable doing this if she had a marketing pipeline that let her know new clients would be walking in the door. But when she only had a set amount of clients, she felt like she had to keep them at all costs. And the cost was her business. Doing the work isn't the business. You can hire people to do the work. Getting the work is the business. It's not easy. Nothing valuable is, but it's worth it. You're going to make money. So here's what will happen when you have a marketing plan. Because you have a marketing strategy, you'll feel professional. And because you feel professional, you'll act professionally. And because you act professionally, you'll be credible. And that credibility is what will bring you clients. When I have regular marketing efforts that my best clients are attracted to, I'm not worried. I'm confident. When I have a marketing plan, I build a business that supports my family and gives me pleasure. Without a plan, I spend my time checking my bank balance and feeling sorry for myself. You're building a 3-year activity plan that gives you the confidence to know you're bringing in new clients and the commitment to action.